Alright, we're good. Alright, so this is number 15. All we're doing is computing the radius of the small circle right here inside the big square. And square has side lengths of 5, okay? So the first thing you gotta notice is this sector right here is part of a circle. And the radius is 5 because at this point here, the other side of the square is 5, so the radius of this big circle is 5. Okay, so now we have a circle here. To find the radius of a small circle, first we do a right triangle from here. We just draw it up to the center of the circle and back down. And here's the right angle right here. And then from there we can do a Pythagorean theorem. So we know that this length right here, from here to here, is 5. 5 from here to here. And then we also have this little area here we'll call R, which is the radius of the circle. So that's why we have 5 plus R right there. So 5 plus R squared equals 2, because these two are the same, times 5 minus R squared, because this whole side is 5, and then R is just the radius of the circle, so 5 minus R will give us this side length of the right triangle. So we do that, simplify it, and then we get down to 0 equals R squared minus 30R plus 25. And we can't factor that, so we're going to do a quadratic formula over here. So b squared plus or minus square root of, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared, so 900 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times t, which is 25, all over 2a, which is just 2. And then, so r equals 30 plus or minus square root of 800, all over 2. 800 you can like simplify that further, so e 10 42 5 4 2. So you have 2 4 that's 5 is 20 root 2. So r equals 30 plus or minus square root of 20 square root of 2 all over 2, and then obviously we can just make that a 15 and that a 10. So the radius of the circle is going to be 15 plus or minus 10 root 2. Now, obviously it's going to be one of those two options, not both of them. So if you think about it logically, 15 plus 10 root 2, that's way longer than this. But 15 minus root 2 will get us to like that circle right here. So it's going to be 15 minus 10 root 2, and that should be your answer for the radius of the small circle.